Welcome everyone. I know the video is a bit goofy in this format, but I wanted to be able to put the entire tree in the picture and also show you what's going on at the stump with this wind. Remember, when you're on the stump and you're in the wind or not in the wind, either way, be patient on the stump. When you're cut up, you're cut up. Work the wedges. Wedgemanship works. Hope you enjoy the video. Love you all. Be kind. Let's go. That's the nicest looking stump all day. Save the best for last for today. Yeah, I like that. There, now that one's out of the way. That probably opened up a big window. Look at that. Imagine from back there. Wind blowing. Yeah, look at the direction of the wind. See all the stuff flying? It's all blowing that way. Right back there. Right? Yeah, see how that pine tree right there leans that way with this wind blowing that way? And all that foliage up there in the top? Yeah, we're leaving that one for another day. We got to come back and get a few down in there too, and these dead ones out of here. That's got to be looking pretty good. Might even be able to come down here, get hooked up to that with a tractor. Thanks for hanging out with me today, cutting these trees and being out here. It's windy, so sorry for the wind noise if we got some phone. The camera's a little crooked, but that's all right. Look at that background. This right here is the mountain that we're opening up for the house over here. Yeah, Muffler, thanks buddy. John, Bob, and Aaron for the Taz XP. It's a pretty good combination right there. Yeah, yeah. I think the Taz XP is a little bit more thirsty. A little more thirsty. The Echo does good on fuel. Both real powerful, solid saws. You guys are awesome. It still just amazes me. Absolutely amazes me. Sure fun saw to run. Both of them. They rock. Yeah, this is yeah, the first tree. Yeah, that one. Yeah, the wind was not our friend. That's why you hear that song all the time. I'm not saying you don't cut timber on a windy day. Well, we did it. We did it. I hope you all enjoy the videos. I hope you all enjoy the content here, and I really enjoy the comments and all the feedback, of suggestions and tips and tricks that everybody shares with each other here is just amazing, really amazing. And I want to thank everybody for that, and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you enjoy it here. Hope you find something that can help you, put a smile on your face, or make you laugh, or make your day just a little bit better, make things a little nicer in life. I love you all. Take care and be safe. TazMan is rolling. There it is. It's your mountain, Johnny Arnett. Be kind.